Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to teach you the difference between since and for. Usually these two words come with the present perfect, but there is a big difference between them. Let's start now talking about since. Since is followed by a point of time or an exact moment in time. Here I mean that after since you can find a point of time on which the verb or the action has started. Let's see that in the following examples. I've had this camera since May. I've had this camera since May. Another example. I've lived here in this city since 2005. I've lived here in this city since 2005. You can notice that after since we have a point of time on which the action or the verb has started. For, however, is followed by a period of time or a duration of time that a verb or an action has taken. Again, after for we have the time or the period that an action or the verb has taken. Examples. I've had this camera for 3 months. I've had this camera for 3 months. Another example. I've lived here in this city for 14 years. I've lived here in this city for 14 years. So guys, after since you can find since May, since 2005, since 7 o'clock, since last week, since I was a child, since June, since yesterday, since I was 19, and the like. But after for you can find for half an hour, for a week, for 2 years, for 3 hours, for 5 months, for 6 years, for 2 days, and the like. Well guys, that's all for today, and I really hope that you can share this video and the other videos with those who are interested in learning English. See you soon with a new video.